So today we're going to show you how to build this beautiful hallway bench, and it's so much more than this. I love this design. Jim, take us through the features.
Well, first feature is it's a bench, so you can sit there and put your shoes on. The second feature is within the bench there's cubbies, so you can put your shoes in there, you can put baskets full of whatever you want in there. The third feature is it's a coat rack.
Nice. And of course we're using Western Red Cedar for this project because nothing looks, feels, or smells quite like Western Red Cedar.
That's right.
Now we've already cut the wood down to length, so now what?
Now we're going to build the frame for the back.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we've got the outer frame all laid out here. Jim, tell us what you've done here.
So we've got the 2x4s that have the rabbet in them, which makes the outer edge of the back frame. We've got them here. We've kind of sat them on a piece of 1x6 just to bring the cross pieces up to level, just to make the assembly easier. It sounds complicated, but it's not, and it'll all become very clear when you see us doing it.
Okay, that's right. But if you want more detailed instructions, you can always go to realcedar.com for free downloadable building plans. So we built the frame, we flipped it, and then we made sure it was square, so we're all ready to clad the back.
Yes.
And for this we're using a 1x6 TNG, and we have two choices here.
Yes. So with 1x6 hung and groove, you tend to have a rough side and a smooth side. We want the smooth side to show in this case. So because we flipped it, we'll be building it with the smooth side down.
Okay. We should also mention we're using a beautiful knotty grade of Western Red Cedar, which is really going to add a lot of texture and visual interest to the project. It's going to make it a nice, warm, and welcoming piece when you walk into the hallway.
It sure will.
Real cedar is a sustainable building material. In fact, wood such as real cedar actually sequester carbon from the environment. So it's a green choice you can feel good about. So we finished the back and we set that component aside. It actually didn't take that long at all.
No, that's because we're working with cedar. It's lightweight and durable. It's very straight and true. The tools love it and we love it too. Just real nice to work with.
So now it's time to build the bench. What's the first step?
Yeah, so it's very straightforward. This is the front of the bench, so it'll include the legs, the top and the bottom rail, and the cubby dividers.
So pretty straightforward stuff.
Very.
Okay, let's do it. So we're still working on the bench. We just finished the front frame and we're going to work on the top and bottom frame.
Yes.
It's going to be a great piece for the indoors. But if you're looking for outdoor storage solutions, I suggest you go to realcedar.com and visit our DIY section where you find projects for every skill set and a lot of Jim's original designs for every style of home. Isn't that right, Jim?
That's right.
And it's also a good time to mention that Western Red Cedar is naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insects, making it ideal for all your outdoor projects.
That's right.
Is there anything we need to know for this part of the build?
It's pretty straightforward. It all just kind of grows out of the front and clicks into place. It'll go really well.
Nice. Okay, so all we have to do is install these 2 pieces of trim around the bench right here and the coat hooks, and we're done. And I can already tell this is going to be a real showstopper in whatever room it ends up in. And not only that, but introducing elements of nature such as Western Red Cedar into your home can promote well-being and reduce stress. It's all part of biophilic design, and if you want to learn more about the benefits, go to realcedar.com and read our blog. Well, Jim, another great job. I love it. The design is great, and I'm just loving the tonal range of the wood. So we're not going to stain this one. We're just going to leave it natural. But it's good to know that Western Red Cedar is pitch and resin-free, which means it accepts a wide range of finishes beautifully. So you could really turn this almost into a feature wall. You could stain it dark, light, a montage of colors for almost a gradient effect. This could go another color. The options are really endless.
Yeah, it's a blank canvas. You could also modify this. We built it in such a way that you could do that. You could turn these vertical boards into horizontal boards for a completely different look. If this was too wide for your hallway, you could always take out a board, like cut it out, cut it down. The stability factor is you just want to have it against the wall, and if this got a little bit narrower, it wouldn't affect it at all.
I love the versatility. If you like this video and want to see more, click to subscribe or visit realcedar.com for more free project plans.